Hey everyone! Today we're gonna talk about how to start a blog. I'll give you some information and tips about blogging, and of course, how to monetize your blog. Are you ready? Let's start! If you want to know how much you could make by placing ads on your blog, visit Google Adsense. Scroll down and see how much you could earn from AdSense. Select your region. For example, let's select Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Then select a category your blog is gonna relate it to. As an example, let's choose beauty and fitness. Click Calculate. The more readers per month you have, the more money you will make. Being a blogger is one of the easiest ways to earn money from home. Unlike any other job, if you are blogging from home, you don't need to work from Monday to Friday, from 9 to 5. You can work at any time of the day, whenever you want, but beware, blogging takes time before it starts making money for you. How long does it take? Around 4 to 5 weeks. So, I suggest you jump into this field slowly. If you have a full-time job, don't quit it. Start part-time with your blog. Once it's on the stage where it's earning you more than your comfortable limit, then it's the best time to turn into full-time blogging mode. If you love to write and would like to share your knowledge and expertise with others, blogging is perfect for you. Some of my friends are asking me what skills are required for blogging. Usually it's an ability to express knowledge in writing a simpler yet efficient way. How long does it take to start a blog? The time required depends upon your level of expertise. If you are an expert, you can easily start your blog within a few hours. For a complete beginner, a day or two would be sufficient. Okay, here are some tips for you. Remember to follow them to get more readers and of course, more money from it. Tip number 1. Start your blog about something in which you are really good at. If you are an expert in your niche, you can easily grow your audience. If you don't know what to write, don't worry, it takes time. Think about it for a few days. For example, if you love fitness and you have diet recipes that helped you or your friend to lose weight, then share it with others in your blog. If you love traveling and you already visited some countries or places, then share it with others in your blog. Tip number 2. Always try to limit your blog to a particular domain. Don't put your content on multiple domains in one blog. For example, writing about recipes tips on a fashion blog. Not really good idea. Keep your blog specific to one domain only. Tip number 3. Using your experience and expertise, try to create a unique and phenomenal content. Try to give a lot of value to your readers. Write about something that will make a difference in your reader's life. Tip number 4. Listen to the readers of your blog. Try to solve the problems they are facing. Always reply to their comments. Make them feel better. Don't forget to ask me anything you want in the comments down below and let me know what you think about blogging. Tip number 5. Be committed to your blog. A blog is like a relationship. Give it some love and it will flourish. Ignore it and it will die. There's no point in being half-hearted in your blogging efforts. If you don't care about it, why should anyone else, right? Tip number 6. Think about your content, style, audience, etc. Look at the people who are already doing what you're planning to do and ask yourself the following questions. Question number 1. Who am I trying to reach with my content? The first thing you want to define for your simple content plan is your target audience. Like, who are they? What gender are they? What age are they? What are their passions? You know, if you try to reach everybody, you end up reaching nobody. Question number 2. How will I stand out from the crowd? You cannot just copy what other people write and then paste to your blog. You have to be creative and unique. And here comes another question. What can I say that hasn't been said already? Of course, you can do your research, but your content have to be unique. Tip number 7. Be professional in the way you handle and grow your blog. Don't criticize other brands, bloggers, or people. Remember, what goes around comes around. You don't want something you have said to come back and bite you one day. Tip number 8. Be open-minded and willing to collaborate with other creatives. You will meet some fantastic and awesome people. Collaborate with them to grow your audience. Most common question people are asking me, Sam, how to monetize my blog? Well, you can monetize your blog by recommending products or services related to your blog's topic, either by writing an informative article, by placing banner ads on your blog's welcome page. You can get nice commissions when a person buys a product recommended by you. Another way is you can place Google Adsense ads on your blog. More people click on your ads, more money you will make. Start thinking what you can write and share your knowledge with others today. Exactly now, today. You can start now. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos how to make money online. Thank you for watching. See you in next one.